Hello friends, welcome to the Designer Dogs. The American Pitbull Terrier is a companion and family dog breed. These dogs love people and have no idea that their size is something of a deterrent to being a lapdog. Confident and keenly aware of their surroundings, they are watchdogs in that they may alert you to the presence of strangers, but that's primarily because they're eager to greet their guests. While their love of people makes them failures as guard dogs, their courage is unmatched and they will defend their families with their lives. Today in this video, we will see the best moments of American Pitbull Terrier. Let's start.